Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create email newsletter with help of Canva for free. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome, choose your profile. Now in the URL box, you have to put the canva.com or you can search from Google. I will put the URL canva.com. Open the website. Now after opening the website, you have to register with your account. It's for free. You can create an account using Gmail account. So after logging in on the Canva website, okay, it's loading up, it's taking some time. Now go to create a design. As you can see, option, click on here, create a design. Now another home page which load. Now here you have to type, it's loading. Now you have to write newsletter. My internet is kind of lagging, I don't know how. Okay, now you can see newsletter portrait. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it gives you thousands of templates from which you can choose according to your mood. As you can see here, news. So for example, I want to make a sports newsletter, so I will type sports. Now it will suggest you thousands of templates for free. Okay, it's loading up. It's kind of taking time. Okay, as you can see here, different type of templates, so I will select this one. Now to change the text of the news bulletin, double click on it, on the text. Okay, it's loading up. So when you double click on the text, you can change the text. For example, I will type news. Now to change the font of the text, click on this, then you can change the font according to your need. Then you can also change the text size by minimizing and maximizing it. You can change the text color by clicking on A. You can check the text color, as you can see here. My text color is changed. Now after creating your newsletter, go to share option, then just click on download and your newsletter will be downloaded. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to create a newsletter from using canva.com. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.